We're recording, sir.
Don't be on the phone talking and stuff while I'm recording. Cause you're gonna get me tight. Let's join the video. Sit in the middle, in the back.
What am I doing in the video for?
To act questions,
Because you keep talking to us and interrupting us, so just join the video.
Okay, chill.
When I don't, it's a problem.
Ooh, look at this. Wait,
When I have my little girlfriend,
I wish I would get a dry hand now.
When
Beauty and grace, you see it in her face. She know just where she going. Success she has to taste. Born sinner, accepted in the grace. Doing everything that it takes to make it to first place. Yeah. I just can't. I know. I gotta make it. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. Whatever it. I know. I gotta make it. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. 'Cause I just can't quit.
Quit!
Namaste. Hey guys, it's your girl. I'm back with another video, and today I am doing a mukbang with my little brother Danny. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
So we're gonna be eating from this hot crab spot by my way. It's called Voodoo Crab, and we both ordered snow crab legs with crab and potatoes, and we got the voodoo sauce. So we're just gonna get right into the eating, and we're gonna chat with you guys a little bit and see what comes up. So I've had this crab before, and it just gets better and better every time, to be honest. Like, I'm never disappointed. It's always good. I got it medium spicy today because these crab places be making this stuff hot. So I got some potatoes. I got some corn. And I got my crab.
I'm really struggling.
Yeah, I got way more sauce than you. So, guys, this place, I live in Long Island. So this place is Long Island. Don't worry, I'm not worried about nobody stalking me because I'm not famous yet. And the crab place is in Massapequa. It's called Voodoo Crab. I'm telling you, get the voodoo sauce. The voodoo sauce is a mixture of everything. And medium spicy is for people who like spicy. But you know, you don't want the spicy to overtake the flavor. You want to get a medium spicy. By the way, that's me on my nails. Buy me on me. Follow my nail Instagram, Zen Nails by Nordia. So you can get your nails slayed, sis. Or bro. Or dog. Or whatever you are. You get your nails done, whatever. Get to know me. Y'all know I love God. Y'all know I do nails. But like, what else, right?
Let me think.
Jesus. Lord Father.
Who's your first crush / kiss or boyfriend?
What?
Who was your first?
What the? Zion.
You told me.
Give him his teddy bear, yo. That's not cool. That's not cool. His teddy bear,
Why is
please.
he humping him?
I don't know. No, give him teddy bear for real. That's wild. Okay. My first crush was in 5th grade. It was this light-skinned guy with blonde hair and hazel eyes, and I used to call him White Chocolate. And yeah, that was my first crush.
That was your first kiss too?
My first kiss was in 7th grade. No, I'm lying. I'm dead lying. My first kiss was in 6th grade. To some guy. Some stupid guy, because they all stupid. But yeah, it was in 6th grade. It was horrible. It was just like lots of spit, like slobber.
Okay.
And it was just nasty. It was nasty. I had no idea what I was doing. And
This is getting messy.
I think that was my first kiss, though. I'm pretty sure I kissed boys before that. Because I was a little fast little thing.
Nasty little girl.
But I can't.
What was that?
Get your phone!
Yo,
Ooh, look at this. Wait, hold on.
okay.
Yeah, you need to slow down. To be honest.
I told you I'm gonna indulge like that. Okay. I need to figure out questions. I really don't like biting whole potatoes. It's disgusting.
No, it tastes great, actually. Especially if it's been soaking in there. Y'all got mad sauce. Like my food is swimming. I could be going by the morning. So I'm keeping it on me. What, David?
Because I was thinking, like, wait.
Why are you whispering, David? I'm just going to cut it out.
You know, you have to keep bloopers in there, Naughty.
2 pieces of crap from who?
From
You
you.
have mad cats, do not do that. And just wanted to show up your pants and stuff.
I paid for it, sir.
Yeah, you did.
I paid for it.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to be sitting there with your mouth dry.
No.
Are you sentimental?
I'm very sentimental.
How?
I've been crying since mommy been getting me all my gifts. Literally crying. Tears. Every time. I cried for a letter.
That's true.
You are
Got that on
soft.
video.
I'm not soft, but I'm sentimental.
And people do nice things.
No, this is gonna be done.
Exactly.
How are you on hugging? Like, I know, like, some people don't like hugs and stuff. And being all
I don't
mushy.
I don't hug. I don't even hold hands, to be honest. I don't like when my boyfriends hold my hand. So honestly, like most of the guys that I be dating, they have sweaty palms.
When I had my little girlfriend in
I wish I
7th
would
grade-
get a dry hand man.
When I had my little girlfriend in 7th grade, I told her I had sweaty palms. that I'm not nervous. They're all gonna tell you that, but they're nervous. Actually, they're nervous. They can't all have sweaty palms. That makes no sense.
They all have sweaty palms, sir.
Man, 'cause holding hands is mad weird.
You know what I don't like too? Boys walking with their arm around me. Especially if we're not the same height. Because then it's all like, and then you bumping into him. And then that joke is
Like,
annoying.
oh, sorry.
That joke is only cute in the movies. I swear. I hate when people try to do that to me.
Cuddling and hugging and doing the same thing.
No. Hugging is not cuddling.
What?
Nah.
Hugging is not cuddling.
No.
You hug like this, and you cuddle how?
You cuddling, you just chilling.
You cuddle.
Yeah, cuddling is cuddling, dude. What are you talking about?
Up underneath each other, and basically,
That's not what it's
basically how.
That's not what a hug is. A hug is a hug. Cuddling is cuddle. Cuddle like body warmth, like longevity.
I look mad black back here.
You are black, sir.
Don't touch it.
Wow, my cream pants.
You already have sauce.
stains
You
on it,
already
don't
have
even
stains.
try
You really tried it just now. Can I get some, please?
No.
Get yourself, guys, a sister that pays for your crab.
Facts.
That ain't me.
And guys, I ate
You
all
paid
my,
for my crab.
I ate all my crab before.
You didn't give me your money?
What money I have for you?
Oh.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I told you. I told you your money when we get in the car.
Wow.
Cause he was handing,
I
he
gave
was
you my
handing
money.
me the money like a drug deal in Voodoo Crab. Like I'm like, oh, let me just order it and then give me in the car. Cause he's like, here, look the money.
Oh, so he was trying to
I'm
finesse
like,
you.
yes.
I know you're mad. You probably have like $5, Daniel.
Are you stupid?
Wow, Daniel.
Yeah, you paying for that crab.
No.
I asked you how much it was because I would have
No,
got
David,
more.
no, you wouldn't.
I would have got more.
Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop lying.
No, you wouldn't.
I would have ordered more.
It's not cold, but it's definitely not
I'm
hot.
done. Like, come on, man. I told you when I eat crab, I just devour it.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching.
Is your food even done?
No, hers is not done.
No, we're close.
I'll be sitting. Oh, she got 2 pounds.
Why would you tell them that?
2 pounds. Yo, I'm screaming. Because she got 2 pounds.
Now they're gonna be like, wow, dang, she can eat. She be eating. You got this. Wait, you got this.
There's nothing
Whoa.
on there.
There be meat in there.
Any crab forfeiting, send it back. Fitting, send it back. Fitting, send it back.
Dude.
Send it back.
Seriously, real talk. You should have bought with your money. You stayed like Danny said.
Don't worry, guys. There'll be a part 2.
Why you always lying?
You don't even have a bowl. You need a bowl, bro. If I'm about to give you peace. When he bring the bowl, I'm just gonna give him like one leg. Yeah, one leg. I'm about to give him half a leg, to be honest.
When I told the money that I didn't get crab, she was like, oh.
She about to be tight now because you about to get a piece. Did you bring the bowl? Okay, sir. Step on up. Step on up.
Nah, I feel like I'm at a service line.
All right. There you go.
What? Like,
What do you mean, what? It takes some
what is
sauce.
that?
Hey, you want some sauce? Bring it.
That's supposed to be a joke?
You telling me you don't want that piece of crab there?
I'm gonna eat it, but I'm not eating this alone. Like,
What
what?
else are you supposed to get?
No. There's nothing else to get. You want a lemon?
Yes.
Yo, nah. Okay, you're shimming, man. Here, you're shimming, man.
Thank you.
Really, you have mad crab? I mean corn.
No. I don't. I have 2.
And you ate 2 right there.
Okay.
My sister's so nice.
I'm glad we're
guys.
counting.
I ended up eating my
2 plus
crab
2
before
is
the
what?
video.
8.
Oh no! Ooh.
Today, wait, I forgot her name. It's like,
Yeah,
hey,
baby.
China, it's like, it's too good. She's like,
Let's get into it, baby.
today, Miriam, today. And today, baby, we got some voodoo crab with voodoo sauce in it. And you know, I say my praise on camera, and let's get into the video.
Let's get into the video.
Nah, bro. But what's your idea of a good or nice date?
Oh, I thought you said perfect guy. I'm like, well, it's about to take all day. Perfect date. My perfect date is spend the entire day together. Get up in the morning, meet each other, go for breakfast. After we go for breakfast, go do an activity. Not nothing too crazy because, like, I'm not trying to be looking stupid in front of you. I'm not trying to be sweating in front of you. I'm not trying to be put in a compromising position in front of you. Like, something calm. Like, I hate guys who want to take you out to do something crazy. Like, do not take me rock climbing on the first date.
So what you want to do, like
can't catch my
bowling?
breath.
Bowling?
Yeah, bowling, 6 Flags, or something like that. Then after that, we go to the park or something. Chill.
Just let me take it.
Honestly, my perfect date is at the park. But, you know, I was just being extravagant. But perfect day for me is good chemistry, nature, and alcohol. Baby. You know what's crazy about me? When I go on a first date, I don't go to restaurants. Because I be saying that I don't want men to waste their money if they don't like me. I'm not even gonna hold you. I always just tell them, like, oh, let's go to the park. Or let's go to here or somewhere free, you know? Or cheap. Because I be feeling bad if they don't like me and then they pay. Because I'm not paying.
Mad money.
But you know how that makes no sense?
What?
Because it's like, well, what you said makes sense. But taking a girl real extravagant, the first date or the first couple of dates makes no sense. And then you're broke all the time when she wants to go somewhere. That's like you had.
If you're gonna be broke after the first date, you was broke to start with.
Really good assignments, and then for the first couple of times, and then that's what they expect from you every single time. But you're having
Twice in a row.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Don't go above your means. I told her I was heartless. She said she just want to party.
Put y'all on.
Okay, thank you. Go take the phone off now.
Yeah, put that off.
That's not off.
Now I got rest in my pocket.
Okay, let me get a tiny piece.
She want the...
You want the yawn?
Let me get a tiny piece.
No.
You got me sitting here like a madman.
Well, I told you eat slow. My drink
Call
is
it
called...
George.
What is my drink called? The Voodoo Experience?
Yes, the Voodoo Experience.
It's dead mad good. It come frozen, but I like to let my stuff melt.
Bowling, I feel like I'm
It's
drawing.
mad good. I'm about to be this steady.
I'm about to take my friend on a date right now, bro. It's a lot like her. No, stop blaming me.
Remember the time David said he got a
Gangsta
gangster side?
Didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
We were in the car, driving to church, and he was like, Naughty, really?
Why you have to hit me with the drive?
And he was mad serious.
He was like, Naughty, really? I actually have a gangster side.
That's how those guys pull up on him when I was out to do my nails.
Let me tell you. We're literally in the car,
7 deep,
in the Bronx,
leg injury.
and David has supposedly, now we're trying to say all this other stuff. in the car.
Like, I don't want to
He
hear
was
none
like,
of that.
he was like, I can beat up anybody.
No.
I can beat up anybody. I can
There
beat up
were
anybody.
7 deep.
There was,
I had a leg
there was,
injury.
No.
there was like 5 guys.
still getting
There was like
involved.
5 guys and 2 girls walking past.
David, this happens all the time.
And then I screamed, and then I screamed, you can beat them, right? You can beat them. You can beat them.
Okay, Daniel, that's dumb.
And he's like, are you dumb? They're looking at he was like,
Yes.
are you dumb? What, they gonna beat us up now? What happened? What's happening? What's happening?
And every time we go to Sal's, he be scared.
Wow.
He be scared of the crackheads and stuff. He be like locking the doors and all that. David, that's not true?
No.
David, that's not true. When I came back, the door was locked. I couldn't get in my own car.
Daniel locked the door because
Why you always lying?
because it was a crackhead. Daniel, she wasn't a crackhead? She wasn't a crackhead, Daniel? I said, Daniel, lock the door. And then when she started walking towards the car, I didn't want to start locking it. She's a crackhead. This is why I told you to lock the door. You don't
No, let
listen.
me get one more piece, please.
We can't be talking now.
Yeah, we can't be talking about people.
We can't be talking about crackheads. I don't know how that's good. That don't look good for my image. Y'all are not well known.
I mean, not world known. I am world known
Jack
because
up
I'm a
with
YouTuber. You're famous on YouTube. I am world known.
I'm more
Actually.
famous. This is like my second video.
And she wrote a book also. And
I wrote a book, guys. It's called The Second Time I Fell in Love with Jesus. Title is self-explanatory. But if you want to get
Yo,
into it,
Zion?
search it up on Amazon.
Move from me.
Part two,
Look at all
what
that
do
sauce.
we eat? What do we eat in part two? What do you think?
It looks like. I know what you're not. National anthem.
So yeah.
Forged from the line of liberty in the hearts of hope and prayer. No, I don't know that
Yeah.
part.
You don't know it.
No, yes I do.
Daddy, if you don't know one part, you don't know
We
it.
solemnly declare, side by side we stand, the twin islands of the deep blue sea, this our native land. We pledge our lives to thee. Let every creed and race find an equal place, and may God bless our nation. Let every creed and race
You do not know
find
it.
an equal place.
You do not know it. You do not, just stop. You do not know it.
And let God bless our nation.
You do not know it.
I just sang it.
You do not.
Sweet, sweet.
TNT.
Oh, how I love up my country.
Sweet, sweet. TNT.
Come on, Daniel.
Something that can be good for me.
You don't even know it. You don't even know it. You don't even know it. You don't know the national anthem and you didn't know the song.
You did not know the national anthem.
I sang it.
No, you did not. If you don't
Just
know the
because I
full-
messed up a couple words.
that is that you don't know it.
Okay, Daniel, but no
Forged
like,
from the land of liberty, in the hand of hope and prayer, we solemnly our destiny. I don't know.
Guys, I'm not actually black. I'm brown skinned, but I'll just look from back here. You
No,
see?
you're black.
Brown skin.
You're black.
Just to let y'all know. I'm brown skinned.
David, come back in and see something. Damn, you ugly. Okay, guys, that's a wrap for this video.
One more Trini thing to cover.
Here's the end of the video, guys.
What would a Trini What would a Trini mother do?
Beat you.
Yeah, that's only licks.
Here's the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for subscribing to the YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell for more posts. And yeah, do it now.
And we're out.
And we're out.
And we're out.
And we're out.
Namaste.